Let's talk about those busy weeknights and how you can skip the drive-thru and get dinner on the table for your family in no time flat. This video is sponsored by the Glad Product Company and avocados from Mexico. Having dinner at home as a family has always been a priority for me. As we started to get more busy, we started to eat takeout a lot, so I decided to make a change. Now I plan meals that my family loves, I can cook quickly, and in a lot of cases even prep or make them ahead. We love this taco meat recipe. Here's how to make it. You're gonna brown the ground beef and drain away any fat. Stir in the tomato sauce and add the blend of spices you'll find in the recipe along with salt and pepper. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes and you're all set. We love taco night. I love that with the help of Glad Press and Seal, I can prep all the toppings ahead of time. Be sure to click the link in the post for tips on how to keep your avocados fresher longer. With this recipe for taco meat, you can get dinner on the table faster than going through the drive-thru.